action. We're back in the action, boys.
Guess who it is, boys? Yeah.
What do you do? Where did you find that? Whoa, crazy. So crazy. What the fuck? Anyway, boys, back in action, back in the action. Another day, another hustle. We're like Hustler Magazine, except a little less sick.
Well, I actually wanted to say something to the boys.
Yeah? They're gay?
No, that's not at all what. Stop doing that,
Sorry,
man.
buddy.
Can you just give me a minute?
I'm sorry.
I just want to say I went on another date last night.
That's true. He did. How was it?
I was pretty good.
Yeah? What was his name? Anyway, boys, of course, in this video, we got another get-rich-quick scheme. So if you guys like these videos, leave a comment down below and please thumbs up this video. And give me some ideas. How should we make more money in the future? So anyway, as you guys know, with these like going out and about videos, we usually try to treat them as like a vlog. We kind of take you through our day, da-da-da-da-da. So we actually have a cool package to open first before we get into the actual topic of this video. Ian, you know what it is?
What?
God damn, so I've been super stoked to try this, boys. A big shout out goes to our buddy. I'd call him our buddy now, right? He's a pretty sick guy. I think I'm gonna be quick to call him that. So this guy I know through Instagram. He's got a really cool Instagram page. He's actually a Marine, and he sent us some really cool like snacks, I guess, that they eat when they're Marines. Like some dried food. I'm like, this would be sick to test on video. He's got a dope Instagram page though, it's down below. It's called Cookies and Preem. He's not paying me to say anything like that. So if you guys want to go check it out, it'll be at the top of the description. He just posts pictures of cookies and Supreme. I guess if I was Santa Claus, I'd fucking love that shit, so.
Man, this thing was packaged crazy. What did he send us, like a bomb?
Ian, he's Marine, you can't say that. It's called C4. Once again, big shout out, literally doing what most of us probably would never want to do. Big respects always to anyone in that sort of career.
Heroism, I think.
Heroism? Oh my god, they're big bags, bro. He asked me what ones we want, and I said send us the grossest one possible. So we're just gonna try this real quick. Ian's got a pretty weak stomach, so hopefully he throws up. That's the only reason why I'm doing this on video. Okay. Asian style beef strips with vegetable. What do you got? Beef taco, pork sausage and patty. Jesus Christ. We're just gonna make this quick. I think this is probably the food right here, correct? You grab one, I'll grab one. Oh, Skittles! What the hell is it? It's like a Pop-Tart. It is dry, bro. No wonder they have these. They're just like a perfect fire starter. Asian style beef strips, I guess you just place it on the bread, right? Something like that. Wow, that is horrendous looking.
I think you're supposed to add water or heat it or something.
Water?
Well, oh man.
Sorry, buddy.
Oh, you washed some of the stuff onto me.
Oh, sorry, buddy. Oh, God. It's not good.
That actually looks like you threw up on yourself.
It's not good. It's not bad, actually. I'm getting a second note of flavor.
There's a very strong odor, too.
I probably would never try this again. Pat, come. You want some of this? Come try it. It's like cat food, but it's for people. Oh, yeah, that's good, right? Okay, we didn't have to have the whole thing. Oh, wash that shit down. You want some of this? It can really get rid of the flavor.
Whoa.
Oh, boy. Who shook it? Ian, did you shake it?
No, why would I do that?
I don't know why you would.
It almost blew
That's
up
a
in
good
my
question.
face.
That's a good question why you would shake it on me. Because I for sure drink beers properly.
And how would I do that?
I'm an expert beer drinker, Ian. That would never happen unless you shook it. The point of this video, boys, is I just ordered a bunch of sneakers off Wish that were free. Thought we'd unbox them, check them out, and then bring them to Plato's Closet and see if we can get money for them.
Still allowed in Plato's Closet?
I'm not, which is why you're going to be going in there. We'll talk later.
Wait, what?
We'll talk later. So, Ian, you open up this one, I'll open up this. Now, the thing with Wish, don't show the address. Yeah, they got free sneakers on there, and they're all fake sneakers. Like, these are like, what, the fake, oh, damn, I used to know shoes, 750s? Yeezys right here, which, honestly, I don't know how much Plato's Closet knows about this stuff, but if I can get it for free and sell it for more, well, we're gonna do it. Oh my god. Yo, so these are the Jordan I can't remember, but they're made after a cat. As you guys can see, it's kind of like where the whiskers come out of. Once again, used to know all this stuff, and then I went brain dead one night. It was crazy.
The stitching is already fraying on this one.
Yeah, but honestly, think about it though. If you're not like inclined to knowing sneakers, these might look like Jordans to you, correct? Except for the lack of Jordan branding everywhere. We got one more package. You guys leave a comment down below. What do you think we're gonna get for them, if anything? I think with Plato's Closet, they're gonna give you money for shoes. And I think these are probably our best bet. Maybe these, but these Yeezys never came in this colorway. They do have colorways almost exactly like this, however, with these Jordans. And last up, oh my god, bro. These are like the fake off-white Jordan 1s, which are missing the swoosh entirely. Just bad. They have Chinese writing on them too. So, wow, this is awful. But they were free. So here's our free shoes off Wish. You guys let me know what you've gotten off Wish in terms of shoes. Now goes the next part of this video. Wanna go grab some lunch and then we'll go take these to Plato's Closet?
Yeah, I could eat.
Alrighty, Ian, so like I said, you have to be the one going into Plato's Closet because I'm not allowed in there anymore. We have a mic that we're gonna strap to you. Now, boys, we're not gonna record in there at all. We're just gonna get audio off of you because if we get recording in there, you're probably gonna get arrested. We probably don't wanna do that right now.
Arrested?
Probably, because it's called trespassing.
Well, yeah, let's
shoot,
not do it.
also, do you think we should have a disguise for you? I kind of planned something out. Just because they might recognize you from videos. I made this for you today. It's a mustache.
Is that?
So you just put it on you.
Is that a Hitler mustache?
No. It's a square. It could be a you don't know where I'm going to put it on.
You mean like the one Hitler had?
Who knows? I might put it here on you. I'm not sure yet. We'll see how it looks. Put it on.
No, I don't.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
That's just a piece of electrical tape. That isn't even...
No, it's paper. I colored it in it, and I did a good job on it. Okay, yeah, put on the damn hat. Put on the hat.
What?
You're looking like an Amish. Look like an Amish character.
I thought this guy...
Or, hold on. You could look like Charlie Chaplin. All right, put on the mustache.
No, I'm not. No.
Ian, all I'm saying is we can do that exact same makeup on you. You're going to look a little bit different. You might even look like a woman. They're not going to know.
No, we're not doing this.
Please, man.
No, I'm not walking into a
just
store.
Just get in the car. Let's go. And we're off, boys. So by request, Ian wanted to get a little bit pre-gamed for this because I guess this is your first big role on the channel going undercover, correct?
Yeah.
It's a big moment, buddy.
It's like some spy shit, man.
This is, man. You're exactly right. And honestly, if you do it right, you could be James Bond in this situation. I'm serious.
Yeah. Really?
I'm serious.
Like a YouTube James Bond?
Like you could actually.
Well,
Yeah.
that's pretty cool, man.
Yeah, man. Like, oh man, Ian Bond or something like that. I don't know. We'll work on it. But anyway, boys, big moment for Ian. So yeah, he wanted to get a couple drinks in him first. I'm gonna be driving the rest of the way. Don't worry, he's just driving there. I got you, buddy. This is a big moment. So leave thumbs up down below for Ian, please, boys. And also tell Ian, honestly, good job on finding a girl last night. Oh my God, that's a child, Ian. Just joking. Keep you on your toes. All right, boys. First destination, we're gonna get Ian all set and right for this first clip.
Yeah, let's get it, boys.
So what are you looking for in here, Ian? Couple drinks or what?
Yeah, just a couple drinks, maybe some girls, just get something to get pumped up.
Bad news bears, boys.
There's no girls.
There's no girls.
Again. Well, we just did a quick table switch to see if we could get close to some more girls. But guess what? There aren't any. There are none.
No girls, eh?
None in here.
Ian's having a huge fit right now.
Not one.
That is his fourth.
Is it?
Yeah, like fourth or fifth, honestly, to be honest with you.
A few moments later.
We're out of there. Ian, how you feeling, buddy?
I'm ready to go, boys.
He's ready to go. This is his first big break on the channel. Ian, I hope you kill it as much as they want you to.
First break, man.
Even if they don't take these shoes we're trying to sell, what are you going to do? You're going to give them a hard time, Ian, and you're going to come up with something funny.
Okay.
Anyway, though, boys, for my safety on YouTube, if they do try to actually buy these shoes from me, we will not take the money. Ian, you hear this? You're going in there. We will not take the money. We're just kind of trying this as like prank purposes and see if they actually would take them. But we will not take the money. Do not try this at home. It's a cool experiment, though, I feel like.
You do this.
All right, buddy. Ian, you're all mic'd up. Let's go. Saw some shoes.
Okay, yeah.
Good luck, buddy.
All right.
So, boys, this is going to be a black screen, or maybe I'll just kind of like focus on the Plato's closet door. Once again, this is the first time doing it, and see how this goes. There he goes, boys. Right on in there. Kill it, Ian. Let's go, bud.
Hi. Well, these I think are brand new. Like my buddy gave them to me, so he's got really good like fashion sense and stuff.
Yeah, of course.
So,
We'll take a look.
Yeah.
I just need a cell phone number and a piece of photo ID from you.
Oh, okay. Yeah. 2024. Oh, sorry, that's my credit card. That's not what you needed there.
So we will be sending you a text to your phone.
Oh, okay. I didn't realize we had to like go through this process.
Yeah, you have to sign off saying that you're the owner of the items before we can look through them. It's required by all of our customers.
Okay,
Yeah, I can get you to sign on
before,
rather.
Yeah, I guess. I mean, like, before we go through that, can you just tell me, like, give me an idea what these might be worth?
I can't do that without having your permission to go through them.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because you have to sign saying you own them and that you're allowing us to go through them. Without that, we're not allowed to look at your item.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if you just want to sign on the line, I just have to finish one buy, but I can get my coworker to look at them quickly.
Okay, sure. Oh, okay, thanks.
Just give us
that'd
like
be
a
great.
couple minutes.
All right, quick thought. He's been in there for quite a while, boys. I don't know if I know if they recognize him and they say something about the videos, he's about to spill all the beans, which means he's going to sell me out in a second. We'll let you continue watching, hopefully what you've been hearing. This is just my thoughts while I wait.
Yeah, my friend Jordan gave me these.
Okay.
Yeah. He said they were worth some good money, so. Like I say, he's usually got like really good fashion sense and stuff, so.
Yeah, they're in good condition. I just don't see a brand on them anywhere. So
Okay, like how much would they be?
you'd get about $4.95.
$4?
Yeah.
$4.95?
Yeah, they would only price for $15 in store just because they're just have no brand on them,
man,
so
you,
we're not able to, like, our
you really can't give me anything better for them?
No,
'Cause,
the
like,
computer system does price everything for us, so we're not able to change it because it doesn't have a brand.
Okay, that's not, I'm gonna be honest, my friend owes me $50 and he said these shoes would cover it.
The whole system is based off brands and style.
Okay, yeah, he just literally told me I could sell them for like $50 here,
Yeah,
so I guess
so you could try selling them online.
I guess he just kind of screwed me over then.
Or you
Great.
Could, yeah.
What's up, buddy?
It didn't go super well.
No?
They offered me $4.95.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo! That's free money! But we don't promote it.
Yeah, but
So I'm now in a dilemma because I do not promote this, but they literally offered you money. And that's up to Platos Closet, man. Like, I guess we're not doing anything wrong because we didn't sell them. We're doing it for the bit. But they offered you money for those.
yeah, a little bit.
That's great. Well, you know, $4. I actually expected them to just... Jesus. Okay. He's now having a stroke. I just expected them to just say no because, like, hey, these are clearly fake. Wow.
Yeah, well, they're not.
Just...
They said they're not even fake because they don't have any branding. They're like.
That's
yeah.
true. That's true. Exactly. Because they don't have any branding. You know what? That's why we can actually sell these. They're like just fake copies off of Jordans, but they're not fake Jordans. There's no branding. Wait, so they knew they were fake? I guess I'll listen to the clip. Anyway, that's crazy, man.
Yeah, they were just like, yeah, these aren't like worth anything, basically.
But they're worth $4 and something cents.
Yeah.
Boys, I'm gonna take it any day. You know what? Yeah, they're not fake shoes, so we're allowed to do this. They have no fake branding. They're just same style. Skechers does it. Everyone does it. Dope. Boys, we just found your new gold mine. Take advantage of it.
$4.95.
Well,
at a
yeah,
time.
but if you have like 100 pairs that you got for free, you're f***ing Gucci. You know what I mean?